In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a sale on Woocommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a sale price and schedule it so your discount turns on and off automatically without any extra work. Start by opening your WordPress website so you can access the dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click on Products. This is where all your items live in Woocommerce. Find the specific product you want to edit. If you have a lot of items, your list may be long, but once you see the one you need, open it so you're viewing the product editor. Inside the editor, locate the product data panel, usually in the middle of the page. Make sure Simple Product is selected from the drop-down at the top of this panel. This tells Woocommerce you're working with a single, straightforward product rather than a variable or grouped one, which keeps the pricing options clean and easy to manage. Now, look for the pricing section within that same panel. You'll see two fields, regular price and sale price. Regular price is your normal, everyday price. In the sale price field, type the discounted amount you want customers to pay during the sale. A quick tip here, Woocommerce expects the final sale price, not a percentage discount. So if your regular price is 50 and you want to offer 20% off, you'd enter 40 as the sale price. If you want the sale to run automatically, click the schedule link right next to the sale price field. This opens two date pickers. Choose the start date for when you want the sale to begin and the end date for when you want it to stop. Woocommerce will handle the timing for you, turning the discount on and off based on your site's time zone. It's a good idea to think about your audience's location when picking dates so the sale starts when you intend. Once you've set the sale price and, if needed, scheduled your dates, you're ready to save. Click Update in the top right corner of the editor. That's the button that publishes your changes. If you didn't schedule the sale, the new price goes live as soon as the update finishes. If you did schedule it, the regular price will remain visible until your chosen start date, then switch to the sale price automatically and switch back when the end date passes. That's it. You've successfully set up a sale on Woocommerce with a clear price and, if desired, a hands-off schedule.